Starting with the child component, we define it using the @component decorator, specifying its tag selector and a simple template that contains a button. A user can click this button to trigger an event. Notice the @output decorator on the child event property. This allows the child component to emit events to its parent components. The emit event method, when called, triggers the child event emitter with a string payload, data from child. Now let's move on to the parent component. We use the @component decorator again to specify its selector and template. In the template, the child component is included through its selector, appChild. Here comes the event bubbling part. We bind the child event to a method on the parent component by using parentheses, which is Angular's syntax for binding to events. Whenever the child event is emitted, the onChild event method of the parent component is called with the emitted data as the argument. To bring these components together, we must declare them in an ing module. In our case, that would be the app module. Both child component and parent component are included in the declarations array. Finally, exporting the app module makes it available for bootstrapping by the platform. At the beginning of our TypeScript files for both the child and parent components, we import the necessary decorators from Angular core. Component and output are critical for defining our components and their communication mechanism.